Hello everyone, Straydog Bill Arnold, co-founder of Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary. Started the shelter back at straydog.org. Started the shelter back in 1994 and still going strong today at Straydog, and we have the
2026.
And so, but please everybody, we've got to get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world, also known as Straydog Billy on my YouTube channel. But we got to get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world, and that's done through Spay and Neuter and the dog and cat world. And there's no reason not to get all our animals spayed and neutered, except enough to maintain the species, which there will always be. And
because they kill them in the shelter,
yeah,
and they die outside.
Yeah,
too many.
Just terrible that what's going on in the dog and cat world, and it can be stopped if we can get everybody on board. So share this video with others to try to get more and more people on board to spay and neuter their dogs and their cats, and adopt from an animal shelter,
because that would be really helpful.
Yes, that would really save some lives. And share this, subscribe to the channel, because that helps with the algorithms and all that stuff. And
there's low-cost spay and neuter clinics.
Low-cost spay and neuter clinics all over the country now, because everybody is woken up to what has to be done, and that is spay and neuter our dogs and cats. Try to save as many lives as we can. 2,000 a day were killed just in 2024 per day. And that's a terrible tragedy across the whole country. About 730,000 dogs and cats were killed in 2024. We don't have the figures yet for 2025, but we will soon. And so let's play a song. Yeah, and this one's John Prine tune called "Speed of the Sound of Loneliness." So here we go. 3, 4. Come home late, come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. Come home straight, come home curly. Times you don't come home at all. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a word in a jealous mind. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? The guitar. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Now a little guitar. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. Across the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Over the speed of the sound of loneliness. running just to be on the run. They're out there running just to be on the run. Out there running just to be on the run. Yeah, please everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats. Let's get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world. We'll be back tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Aaron.